My bird with lemon and orange is out of this world. You need 2 eggs in a bowl. Add black pepper and salt. Mix. Chop 3 garlic cloves. Like that. I know you like my knife. Soon I will have it here for you. Cut some cherry tomatoes and 1/3 of an onion. Get your thin chicken breast and cover with flour. Soak it in the egg mixture. On medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil in the pan. Add your garlic. Put your chicken in the pan. Cook for 5 minutes each side. Flip the bird and add onion and the little cherries. You can use orange or lemon to your taste later. Add half stick of butter. Remove the bird. Add another half stick of butter. Add 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix and let it cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 cup of dry white wine. High heat. Let the alcohol evaporate. Add 1 cup of chicken stock. Add some capers. Now you can add half orange or lemon to your taste. I will do both. Add your bird to the pan and set your fire to medium heat for 3 minutes to simmer it. You are done. We're very excited to tell you that we will start providing food for the hungry. As millions of you already know, we share recipes that we love here at Try My Chow, but we also make music. We just released our new music album with Merge to One called 617's Finest. By downloading the full album, 50% of all proceeds will be used to buy and distribute food to people in need in Boston and the surrounding areas. Be a part of Try My Chow soup movement because helping people is amazing. Kapeesh?
Give me some soup.
Dude, it's straight up freezing in here. Come on, dude. It's freaking cold up in here.
That hot soup. That yummy soup. That thick soup.
You got the clear, man?